We have the Wild Willies beard oil right here. I like this product a lot. I have a beard, obviously, so when I first started getting a beard, I was very, very itchy. Everything felt like I needed to always scratch it, and someone told me about getting beard oil. This is a premium oil and conditioner, and ever since I've been putting this into my beard, it has helped completely because now I'm not as itchy. My beard isn't as dried out, and it just is a little bit more well kept. And I'm also using this in conjunction with a brush that I actually use, and this is basically after I get out of the shower. So I will use baby shampoo for my beard, and then once I'm done with that, to kind of clean it out a little bit, and then once I get out of the shower, I will put the oil and conditioner, Willies Beard Oil and Conditioner, into my beard, and then I'll just kind of brush it out and kind of keep it. But I like this stuff. I think it works really, really good. It's worth trying out, and it smells great.